Transferring cryptocurrency from a paper wallet is a straightforward process that requires attention to detail and caution to avoid losing your funds. To begin, a paper wallet is a physical document that contains your cryptocurrency private keys and addresses, used for storing and securing your digital assets. First, understand the risks involved in using a paper wallet, as it can be vulnerable to physical damage, loss, or theft. Before transferring your crypto, ensure you are in a secure environment and have the necessary tools and information. To transfer crypto from a paper wallet, you will need to import the private key into a digital wallet or exchange. Choose a reputable digital wallet that supports your cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and download the software or access it through a web browser. Next, locate the private key on your paper wallet, which is usually a long string of alphanumeric characters. Be careful not to expose the private key to anyone, as this can compromise the security of your funds. Now, access your digital wallet and look for the import or sweep function, which allows you to add the private key from your paper wallet. Enter the private key carefully, making sure to avoid any typos or errors. Once the private key is imported, the digital wallet will sync with the blockchain and display your available balance. You can then transfer your crypto to a new address or exchange it for another cryptocurrency. Best practices include using a secure internet connection, verifying the digital wallet's authenticity, and enabling two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. It is also essential to back up your digital wallet and keep your private keys safe and secure. In conclusion, transferring cryptocurrency from a paper wallet requires caution and attention to detail. But with the right tools and knowledge, it can be a straightforward process. Always prioritize security and take the necessary precautions to protect your digital assets.